Ah, yes, there it is. TRITON Products Company. We're going to go in now and meet a guy who is the product manager of TRITON. Meet Bruce Jaffe. Bruce is going to take us on a tour of TRITON's facilities.
Welcome to TRITON's customer service area. When you pick up your phone and dial our toll-free number, our operators here are ready to assist you in any way they can, whether it's in placing an order or just asking a question about an item in our catalog. They're here ready to help you in any way they can. Welcome to TRITON's computer room. As you can see, all the equipment here is very sophisticated, and it helps in processing your orders in a very efficient manner. Once you call our toll-free number or place your order in the envelope, when we receive it, we process your order and get ready to send it out the door. I'm standing in front of our high-speed printer, where we're currently printing out your orders, which we send out to our warehouse, where they'll be packed and shipped out immediately. Welcome to TRITON's warehouse area. After our computer processes your order, it's sent out here for picking and packing. Then we send it by UPS right to your home. This is the end of the order process at TRITON. As you can see, we have your order picked, packed, and now we're shipping it via UPS right to your front door. It should be arriving any day.
TRITON is the world's largest supplier of equipment for the TI-99 4A home computer. Their computerized operation ensures that your order will be handled promptly. There are lots of UPS trucks just ready to take it right to your door. Now, Bruce is going to talk to us about some tips for using the TI-99 4A.
I'd personally like to welcome all of you into my office here at TRITON Products. Over the past couple of years, we've had the privilege and opportunity to serve many thousands and thousands of customers who own the Texas Instruments 99 4A home computer. And frankly, we're really excited that you've bought this videotape and that you're interested in learning more about your system and expanding it. I'd like to take this opportunity in this segment to give you some tips that we've learned from talking to the many thousands of you over the telephones. I understand that many of you out there are now wondering, how am I going to expand my system? How am I going to get maximum productivity from my TI-99 4A? Well, you've seen the power users, and you've seen what they're doing with their system. So I recommend first thing you do is add additional memory to your system. This will give you capabilities 3 times what you initially had. Next, I would add a disk drive to your system. That way you can take advantage of all the disk software that's available, and this will bring out the true power of your computer. Here's a little tip for you that are using cassette recorders to save your programs. In between each program that you save, make sure and leave about 5 seconds of blank tape. That will ensure that you can properly load your program when you're ready to use it again. For those of you who use joysticks, here's an important tip. Make sure when you're using the joystick that the alpha lock key is up. Otherwise, you won't get any upward movement on your joystick. When you're using programs that just require the keyboard, make sure the alpha lock key is in the down position. This will work much better for you then. I highly recommend you purchase the TI Extended Basic cartridge. This cartridge will open up your system to a whole world of disk and cassette software programs. It could be an invaluable investment for your computer. If you're having any trouble with third-party cartridges, such as Atari Soft's Donkey Kong, Dig Dug, Miss Pac-Man, etc., then you have what's called a 2.2 version of the TI computer. And you'll need to buy a special 83 module adapter so that you can run these third-party products. For those of you with TI-Writer or Multiplan, I highly recommend that you bring those versions up to date with the Mentor Power Pack 2 for TI-Writer and Multiplan. This disk will give you some new features and correct some of the limitations that were in the original versions of those programs. Lastly, I have a couple of tips that are somewhat interrelated. When you're entering data into your computer, please remember to save it every 15 minutes to your cassette or disk system. That way, if there's an interruption in your power, you won't lose that valuable data. Also, it's very important to protect that system. I recommend that you purchase a multiple outlet surge and noise protection strip. This way you can plug all your components into the strip and will have no worries that your components or computer will be damaged by a spike in the voltage coming into your computer. And remember, always use a Write Protect tab to cover the notch on your disk. That way, you won't lose valuable data or programs that you've recorded. Thank you very much for joining me on this tour of Triton. I hope you've enjoyed it. And remember, if you have any questions, problems relating to your TI-99 4A, please call our toll-free number, 800-227-6900. We'd be happy to help you with any problems you might have. Thank you for joining me, and goodbye from all of us at Triton.